Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2751st edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Thank you so much for tuning in. We love the community and your comments, and it's been great having you as an OMNI community. So, we've been doing this for many years. You guys chime in, you vote on different things, you answer the questions in the YouTube videos. We love that. Thank you so much. Tonight's video, interesting spot, interesting area, interesting everything. First off, I went and printed, 20 charts. I was doing a video. I went up to the video room. I got it all ready. I got everything on, the lights going. And then I called my videographer, David, who's deathly ill in bed right now and could not shoot a video for me. So I'm going to do a desktop shoot for you, but interesting spot we're in. You'll like what you're about to see. Traders, this is a risky game. Risky, risky, risky. Please know that. You could lose more than you have in your trading accounts if you do not know what you're doing. Please make sure you recognize that risk and put your stops in first. This is video 2751 coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, May 16th, 2024. Traders, we got a lot going on. If you like what you see in this video, make sure you like them and share them. Make sure that the algorithms pick us up on YouTube so the community can grow and I can get to help more people out there, more traders. Okay, NASDAQ. Double top. What happens at a double top, traders? How long have you known me? There's an old adage, right? When we see a double top, we sell a double top, right? We know that. We do that. We know it. That's what we do. And there's a double top in NASDAQ staring us right in the face. There's our old adage. Now, is it a double top or has it been visited more than 2 times already? Is that a double top, or has that been seen more than once? I think we need to take a closer look at this. Let's go take a look at another chart. Look at the Dow Jones. Double top, right? Will this one work? Is it a double top, or has it been seen 3 times already? Will this one work? You know, the looks of the market tell me absolutely not. This double top is not going to work. But it's not up to me to gauge whether or not double tops work, because when we see them, we sell them. So we've got to decipher, is that a double top or not? Because you don't sell it if it's not one. So is this a double top, or has it been visited 3 times? I find this an interesting area. And then I dug a little deeper, and I went here. And I said, you know what? I think the action that we're seeing shows us that here is what's going on. This is the S&P. This would have been a double top, but look what it did today. This is the S&P cash. E-mini S&P had a bar that only went up to about here. And that was the end of the day. But S&P cash made a bar way above the double top. So is S&P cash telling us that once again it's been visited more than 1 time, 2 times? It's not a double top. It's been visited here. It was visited here. It was almost visited again here. And then we had this. So the S&P tells me that we are going to buy a dip, and I've got a specific level in NASDAQ. It's in my notes for trading on Thursday. If NASDAQ hits a specific level first, if NASDAQ rallies up, hits a specific level, first, I will cancel all buying. Just want you to see this note for yourself. If, this is part of my homework for tomorrow, if NASDAQ rallies up and hits a specific level, which I have right in front of me, if it hits that level, I am canceling all buying, and then we're going to respect the double top. If the market drops first and lets us get filled, then gets up to that specific level, we'll deal with it. If we get to that specific level first, I'm not going to then take the buy on the way back down. Just letting you know that. So yes, I'm going to buy a dip, but if we rally too far, too fast first, I won't be buying that dip. I will be not doing anything. So I want you to know that. That's part of the plan for trading on Thursday. Now let's look at a few other things that are floating around out there, because I've found some interesting charts and I think you will find them as well. Okay, let's go here. Remember the gold chart? Does anyone remember? I put this chart in front of your eyes and said, look, it's a bull flag building or a small bear flag. What is this? We're going to vote. Vote A or B. And many of you voted A, voted B. You guys voted both sides. And I said, you know what? In the next video I put out, I said, it's exactly what you see. It is a possible small bear flag inside of an absolute big bull flag. It is exactly what you see, not what you think. That was in my next video. Well, when I did that, the market was somewhere down here. And since then, we have rallied out, and look where we are now. It is not a small bear flag. That is negated. It is absolutely a bull flag, just as we expected it was, and we're breaking out of it already. So those who answered bull flag, you were absolutely correct. Good job. In last night's video, I asked how many of you thought the market was going to go up and forget the downside. Half and half, 50-50 said up, 50-50 said down. You knew I was looking for the upside. We had a bullish Omni with an Oscarism F flag. The market did go up, the E-mini S&P, as is gold. What's making some of this happen? I'll show you what's making some of this happen. The dollar index. Look at this drop that the dollar has had. Helping metals like gold. Silver just almost hit its a high we haven't seen in, I don't know, a few years if I remember. And copper has been exploding. Why? Well, because the dollar has been going lower. And you know, when the dollar goes lower, guess what? Foreign currencies go up. And guess what that does? That means if they trade in foreign currencies for dollars, they get more dollars to buy U.S. stocks with. So the dollar coming off is pushing up metals and stocks, and it's healthy. It's not dropping dramatically. It's $1.04. Right? It's 104. It's not hurting us at all. But it is helping metals and helping the stock market. So you've got that going on. And what else did we look at? We looked at Mr. Bitcoin. Fantastic on this Bitcoin. Look at this. Bitcoin daily bar. I've been showing this to you ever since we got to the do or die level. None of these bars existed literally past that red bar, so none of this happened yet. We were here, and I said, that's it. We're at a do or die level with this red bar that just got put in. We just tested the average that's been working for months and months on end, and we're testing the bottom of this channel. It's a do or die area. From then forward, it just started to hold, right? When we got back here, I told you the Omni was still bullish. As long as we stay above the average, the Omni will buy dips. So far, so good. Look at it now. Nice skyrocket above the average, and now 72,000 is expected to be seen rather quickly. So we expect 72,000. Our target of 85,000 maintains, but 72 is a closer, probably near-term target that we should see first. Traders, please like and share these videos. I know the information in it is good, but we want to help as many out there as we can. So like the video now if you don't mind. Join me at livewithoscar.com and do this. Live webinar this Tuesday. Live webinar. Do not miss it. Live webinar. I will be hosting 3 p.m. is my portion of that webinar. There'll be many traders before me, many traders after me. But on 5/21 Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern, I will give an hour of live analysis. Free registration link below. Click the link below this video and please be sure to register. That's for Tuesday, 3 p.m. Eastern. Traders, that's what I wanted to show you. Let's get set and ready for trading on Thursday. Keep your emotions out of trading, kids. How do we do that? We put our stops in first. Then we say this to ourselves over and over. And I believe by now you should know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. when Bitcoin goes up, so do the altcoins. Get ready for a good week. Have a great day. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.